All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I just wanted to go over the union that I'm in, the IBEW 48 benefits, everything that involves the union and what their benefits are. So I just want to go over the sheet real quick. So the gross wage is $50.35 an hour with a vacation account that they pay you $2.01 an hour. So every month I get around $300 to $400 into a vacation fund. So instead of like having a company pay you like 2 weeks a year for vacation, they just give you this hourly, which turns out to be a little bit more, I believe. I did the math last night, so I think it's about $4,500 or so for a year. And if you just do the average math, I think it's around $4,000 for a couple weeks. Maybe I'm totally wrong on that, but if you do the math, it turns out to be a little bit more than the normal vacation that you would get for like 2 weeks from a company. And then there was an initiation fee of $104. And then membership dues is for a total of, I think it's $2 a month, but these are the dues that you do have to pay, which is $51.50 a month or 30 cents an hour, which is really cheap to be in the union. I mean, it sounds like you're losing money here for $50 a month, but all the stuff that you're gaining is really worth it. So if you think that $50 is a big deal, then you are sadly wrong. So these are the dues that you do pay, which is a total of $2.34 an hour. So you start out at $50.35 an hour, and then once you pay your dues, it's down to $48.01 an hour. So these are the things that the dues are covered that you pay into per hour. So $1 for market recovery. And if you want to read any of this, pause the video or anything like that, if I'm going too fast for you. And then there is the second one is running the union hall. The third one is some political action committee. None of that I really care about, but I mean, I guess the market recovery does keep your job and stuff, gets you work and stuff, so that's a good thing. But all this other stuff, I'm not really too much care about, except for, I guess, maybe the only thing I don't really care about is the political action committee, because keeping the union hall going is good, so when you call someone, they answer the phone and stuff like that. Anyways, let's get to the real good stuff right here on the other side. The benefits is the total wage package, which is $50.35 an hour, plus the benefits right here, so for a total of about $73.99. So whatever $73.99 minus $50.35 is about $23.5 in benefits per hour, which is really good. So starting out, you have $10.05 an hour into a full family medical, dental, and vision insurance, and then you have a flex benefit plan, which is for like tax-free medical expenses or unemployment or anything like that. If you lose your job, you can divert that how you want to. I just have it set up for 50-50, and I just got my first statement, and I have, I think, about $234 in each of these. $234 in the unemployment. If I lose my job, I can take that money out and use it on top of unemployment, and then the other 50%, $234 into the medical part of that. And then moving on, we have $8.70 an hour into the Edison Pension, and they're saying if you work 25 years in the union for $215 a month, you'll get $5,375 a month for life upon retirement, which is really good. I don't plan on working that long, but that's really good if you just want to work 25 years and then say you're old enough to get that, or just wait until later in life. or whatnot if you have enough money saved up to retire early. And then once that kicks in, you'll be set. That's a lot of money, plus the second pension over here, which is $32 a year, which is the Nebf pension plan. So this gives you $32 per year for every year that you work. So if you work 1 year, you get $32 a year, and two years is $64 a year, etc. So if you work 25 years in the union, $32 a year, they'll give you $800 a month for life upon retirement. So those two pensions right there alone are like $6,100, $6,150. And then this other one is $4.42 an hour. And this one is your fully vested day one. But these two, you have to work, I believe, 5 years on both of those. That one has a 5-year vesting, and that one has a 5-year vesting. So work 5 years, and then you'll be vested on those two. But this one down here, you are fully vested from day one. And that's pretty much it. There is also an optional benefit thing that you can invest in if you want to. So once again, if you want to read any of this, just go ahead and pause the video if I'm going too fast. But I just want to make a quick video about this. Some really good options here for retirement, just benefits in general. Still have to figure out how to check all my benefits and sign up for the websites. It's kind of tricky on the website. It's kind of not the best website, but soon I'll be able to check out how much I have in each single one of these pensions, how much I have in each one of these 3 pensions, and then I can check also and sign up for the website check my flex plan, and then also the other plan up there. So I think I have to sign up for like these 5 websites right here, but I really don't know how to do that. It's really confusing, but anyways, really good stuff here. A lot of money on the table here if you are in the Portland PDX area and are interested. Go ahead and check out IBEW 48. Good stuff, pretty decent wages here. Not like San Francisco or anything that pays you a lot more, but can't complain at all. So very happy with this. Compared to non-union, like I was getting like around $35, $36 an hour non-union. So to jump up to $50 was a big increase. So even if you have to pay your dues down here to $48, that's still pretty much higher than you would ever get in this area. Even if you're getting $40, $45 an hour, you're still getting $3 more an hour if you just include the $48. So really good wages, really good benefits, all that good stuff. So hopefully this video helped you out in some way or another. If you're interested in this union or just unions in general, hopefully this helped you. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. As always, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. As always, appreciate the support. Don't forget to check the description for anything else and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.